Hello, welcome back to another video with Mommy's DIYs. In this channel, we concentrate in creating handmade DIYs so that you can either give them or make money out of them. In most of the videos, I concentrate also in giving you the breakdown so that you know how much you're going to invest and how much you're going to profit. From right now until about the middle of December, I'm going to be doing different DIYs that you can sell for Christmas or that you can give to your family. But if you're new in this channel, please go ahead and like my video and subscribe if you haven't, and give me thumbs up. That will really help me a lot. But for right now, let me organize my table and let's get to work. We are ready to work. The items that we're going to need for this video, this is what we're going to be making. Okay, these are good for weddings. You can even etch the name of the bride and the groom and the day they got married, or you can do a lot of other things where they're like for quinceañeras or sweet 16 or baby showers. These are a very good gift for those occasions. The candle that I'm going to be using are these here. I got them last year at MICHEL'S, and I got them $2 each. So with one of these, you're going to be able to make 10 of this, okay? And this, the reason why I'm making these, I'm making 40 of them, because our other business, the house cleaning, we always give our clients a little something for Christmas. So this is what I decided to do this year, okay? So these, I got them at the Dollar Tree. Some of the Dollar Tree stores have them in sets of 4, and some of them have them in sets of 3. The last time I went to get the ones I needed, they only had the sets of 3, so I went go ahead and buy them. But I did get a few that were worth for $1. Okay. You're gonna get 10 little candles out of this one, so it's very, very good. Also, I'm gonna be using all these dry flowers. And I have a video where I show you how to dry your flowers and fruits. I'm going to link the video right above here. I also bought these little boxes that, even though they're not Christmas decorated, but I think they're really cute. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be putting the candles right in there with their name, and giving them a little note, thanking them for their business. And also I'm going to add a little card that's going to direct them to my website in case they want to buy more. So this one is already clean, is the one I use for these 10 candles, and it's already clean. So these ones I use for other things. It smells like candle, so it's not a good idea to use it for food, but you can definitely use it for to store, like put your Q-tips in there. You can put your initial here. You can do a lot of things with this. I don't throw them away. For this Christmas, I may decide to do like bath salts and give them to my friends and family for Christmas. So, and they're really nice and tight, okay? Another thing that you're going to be needing is you're going to be needing your the wick stick. And I cut these a little bit because the candles are little. And what we're going to be doing, we're going to be putting this in the middle and holding it with this right in place in the middle. Okay, so you need these kind of sticks, or the ones they sell at the Dollar Tree. They are flat. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and put this in the microwave. It takes between 5 and 5.5 minutes. So let's go ahead and do that. Here it is. I did 5.5 minutes, and it's hot, so be very, very, very careful. There's still some wax in there, but because it's so hot, it's going to dilute right now. So we go ahead and throw this away. And we just want to okay, so now I'm going to empty it into here. because this has this pointy area that helps me with the pouring of it. Here you go. So now we're going to go ahead and pour it in our little candles. Okay, there you go. So we right away start, you need to make this straight, and you go ahead and start putting them in. You need to do this quickly because the candles are so little that the wax starts drying really quick. So once you put the wick in the candle, you wait about 3-4 minutes to start putting your your decorations. Otherwise, they're gonna start sinking down. Okay. So at this point, it's been about 3 minutes, and I'm gonna check and see if I can go ahead and put some of them. So yeah, they're staying on the surface, so it's okay. We can go ahead and start doing that. And they're drying really quick. So I'm gonna be, this is lavender. Here, so here they are. This is one design that I made, and then this is another one. This is another one, and this is another one. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate it, and may the Lord bless you today and every day. Until next time, thank you.